Dear all, I would like to start a new playlist on financial management and accounting, which is one of the core subject for MBA. So let's get started and let's make the session very effectively. So in this session, I'll be discussing the entire concept which are related for the financial management for management students. So in this session, I am planning to explain what are the contents I am going to discuss in the forthcoming days. So basically, the course which is majorly focusing on the core MBA subject that lays the foundation for understanding how the business record, manage, and analyze the financial data. That is a major objective of this course. And this course also like gives an idea how to take a financial decision. That is the ultimate goal for any type of business organization. Because without money, we cannot do anything, right? So how to manage the money effectively or how to optimize, that is very important. How to effectively utilize the amount, how to manage, where to allocate. Those things we'll be discussing in this course. Also, you should know how to keep the accounting, how to maintain the accounts. That's also most important. So altogether, there are 15 units. Let us briefly introduce each and every units and its significance. Number one, introduction to financial accounting. Here you are going to learn the basics of accountancy, bookkeeping, and accounting. So there are some examples which you are going to discuss within a simple fashion, and you will understanding how to maintain the accounts. Understand the accounting process. What are the rules which are applicable for regulating the account process? Okay, what to be written in the left side, what to be written in the right side. So I'll be explaining the key objectives, the how to maintain the accounting process. Also, the difference between bookkeeping and accounting. So what are the major differences? Apart from that, you will be learning the basic concept and basic terminology which are related to accounting. Coming to module number two, which you are going to mainly focusing on the concept and principles policies. Here, you will be understanding the what is the meaning of actuarial, what is money measurement, and you should understand the historical cost, what is the meaning of matching, so how to maintain the full disclosure. So basic concept you will be covering. Apart from that, you will understand accounting policies, how they change and how the role of accounting standard and the importance of IFRS, say regulating agency or regulating authority. Then third unit is double entry accounting system. So graphs the traditional and modern accounting. Okay, so there is a certain equations. You will be familiar in the important equations related to accounting. Also understand debits, credit, transaction, then accounting trail. So these are the things which you are going to discuss in the third module. While coming to the module number four, we'll be discussing about the secondary books. So explore the specialized books like a purchase book, sales book, cash book, bill receivable, bill payable. We'll be discussing very simple examples so that I promise you that concept will be very simple and you can understand it easily. Understand how to post entries into the ledger. So what is a ledger book? How to maintain the ledger book? That is very important. Every organization we have to maintain the ledger. Fifth unit is mainly with the trial balance. Learn what is trial balance, basic principle of trial balance, its objectives, and how to prepare the trial balance. Identify and rectify the errors, both those disclosed and undisclosed by the trial balance. So we'll understand the basics of trial balance and how to perform the trial balance. What are the rules and regulations? Sixth unit is mainly dealing with the financial accounts. Learn about trading accounts, profit, loss account, balance sheet, etc. Apart from that, you are going to learn about handle the adjustments like depreciation, bad debits, then provisions, and a closing stock. These terminology you have to explain in detail because you should require these terminology when you start a business. Similarly, in the seventh module, you need to study about the introduction to management accounting. Discover the role of management accounting in business strategy. So also you'll be discussing about balanced scorecard, how to maintain the balanced scorecard, what is the significance, and with the simple examples. And you should understand the cost management systems and value added concepts with the basic theories. Eighth unit is mainly dealing with the financial statement analysis. Here you are going to learn about ratio analysis. What are the different types of ratios with the mathematical equations and also dew point chart. What is the meaning of dew point chart? And we'll be discussing the example as well. Understanding how ratios help to analyze the company's performance. Coming to ninth unit, you will be discussing about funds flow analysis. So the purpose of this unit is to understand fund flow statement. And what is the meaning of working capital, and how to prepare the working capital. Every organization, we need to have the working capital, right? How to allocate the working capital. 10th unit is mainly dealing with the cash flow analysis. Learn how to prepare the cash flow statements as per AS3 revised format. What is the meaning of AS3 revised format? I'll let you know. And so there are two methods. One is direct method, another is indirect method. We'll be discussing with the help of examples. 11th unit is mainly dealing with the understanding the cost. What is cost? What are the different type of cost? How to calculate the cost, fixed cost, running cost. So we'll be having the mathematical equation as well. So 12th unit is mainly dealing with the marginal costing and break-even analysis. So what is the meaning of break-even point? So what is P bar V ratio? Compare marginal cost versus absorption cost with the help of examples. 13th unit is mainly dealing with the decision making technique. So what is the meaning of like decision making? What is the importance of decision making, and how to do the decision making based on the cost based analysis. Also, we'll be discussing about make or buy, then continue, drop product, and a new market exploration. So these are the things we are going to discuss in 13th module. So in the 14th unit, you will be discussing about budgetary control, and what is the meaning of budgets. So how budgets help to control the business performance. You might have heard about the budgets, right? What is the importance of budgeting? So what's the purpose of budgeting? So before starting the financial year, you are proposing the budget, right? What is the unit of what is the a major significance of budgeting? Then understand different types of cash budgets, flexible budget, etc., with a suitable example. And what are the criteria to conduct budgetary control. 15th unit is actually standard costing, and learn how to set the standard and analyze the variances. So we'll be discussing the material and labor variances, including efficiency, mix, and yield variances. So these are the major content which we are going to discuss in this course, and we suggest to refer the particular textbook such as Financial and Management Accounting by Williams, then Bettner, Carcello, and Haka, Tata, MC Grohill Publications. It's available, even soft copy if you want, I can send you. Reference book is Financial and Management Accounting by Wild, Shaw, and Chipata and Tata McGraw-Hill. This textbook also available in online. I can share with you. So ultimately, you'll be discussing how to take a financial decision making. At the end of the course, you will be understanding how to take the financial decision. Also, you will be having a financial confidence after completion of this particular course. We are going to discuss case studies so that the concept become more clear. Every topic we are going to discuss the examples so that I'll make you the concept very simple. So thank you for watching this video, and keep learning. You'll be getting similar videos in the forthcoming days. Happy learning. I wish you all the best for your exams. Thank you.